So, can a person really have endometriosis and not know it for years also?
The person may not know it, but the person is going through the symptoms of endometriosis. They may not realize that that is endometriosis. As I said, there is a culture where women suffer menstrual pain, thinking that they've been told it's normal. Okay. Now, yes, menstrual pain to some extent is normal. So you start off with a period, and the day before your period, you start getting this pain and discomfort, and then the day of the period and the second day of the period might be painful, but ideally speaking, your period should not be painful 4 days before the period, 4 days after the period, during the period. So taking half a month of pain is not normal. But in many societies and in many families, women and the people around them assume that it is normal. So that is where women do not think that they have a problem. They think that is normal. But nowadays, most of the women are outgoing. They are, working. They're educated, so they do speak to people at work and say, "Oh, I'm having pain," and "Are you having pain?" And they say, "No, no, I'm not having any pain." They say, "Oh, why am I having pain?" So they tend to get diagnosed. But I have seen a few cases where women, younger girls especially, have come with pain, and general investigations will show that there is absolutely nothing on the ultrasound. And many times, I'm not, for saying it's the fault of the doctors. Doctors do an ultrasound, gynecologist, and say, "Oh, everything is normal. You don't have anything. Go away." Now, it probably is fine. In majority, there is nothing wrong. But in some cases, the patients keep coming back to different gynecologists saying, "I do have pain. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening to me." And in those cases, although ultrasound does not show anything, I have, in my experience, put in a laparoscope to look, and you find spots of endometriosis and exactly in the areas where the patient is complaining of pain. So in those cases, if unless the women's complaints are listened to and attended to, they may go unnoticed for a very long time suffering with pain.